Ooh-wee. So listen, I made some smothered turkey wings in the oven, in a baking bag, and let me tell you, baby, these things was good. You hear me? So let me show y'all how I made them real quick. So the first thing I'm gonna do is start off with about 2 pounds of turkey wings. These are already pre-cut. I'm gonna wash them with some vinegar and some lemon. If you don't wash your meat, then that's your business. I wash my meat over here. Okay, so as far as the seasonings, I'm gonna use adobo without pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, and I'm gonna use some olive oil, and I'm gonna mix that all together real nice and good. And I'm gonna let it sit off to the side for about an hour to marinate. Now in the meantime, I'm gonna get the vegetables ready that's going inside the gravy. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna just use some yellow onion, some green bell pepper, and some red bell pepper just for the color. You can use whatever color bell pepper you want. And of course, gots to have the fresh garlic in there now, because y'all should know by now. It ain't a recipe if it ain't got garlic in it, okay? What is you doing? Now, in a pan on medium high heat, I'm going to drop them turkey wings in there, and I'm going to just sear them on both sides for only 6 minutes, you guys. It only need to cook 6 minutes, because again, it's going to finish cooking inside the oven. I'm just searing them so they look pretty and they don't look all bland and flavorless. Okay, so I'm gonna remove those from the pot after 6 minutes on each side. Then I'm gonna add some unsalted butter in that same pot, and I'm gonna add those onions, green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and fresh minced garlic in there. Well, it's not minced garlic, excuse me. And I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper in there. Nah, these ain't gotta cook all the way because they're gonna finish cooking in the oven again. So let's go ahead and get the gravy ready. I'm gonna add some chicken broth in there, and I'm gonna also add the cream of chicken in there. Now this cream of chicken is real thick, and I didn't have that much chicken broth, so I did have to end up adding water in there. Now when a recipe calls for water, I usually use a broth of some sort because the water takes away the flavor. So I did have to add a little bit of salt and pepper in there and some complete seasoning, but don't worry, I'm gonna have a full recipe in the description as well as the comment section. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take those turkey wings and I'm gonna put them inside that baking bag, and then I'm also gonna add the the gravy in there, and I'm gonna tie that bag up. I had to have a little assistance with this part, you guys, because the way my kitchen is set up. But anyway, add all of that gravy in there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some fresh thyme in there. Now I'm gonna tie that bag up real nice and tight. Now this is gonna go into the oven on 375 for approximately 1 hour, no longer than 1 hour. Okay, 375 for 1 hour. Now that that's done, I'm gonna go ahead and plate it up. I made some homemade mashed potatoes. I did not show how I made them in this video, but I do have the recipe, and that's going to be in the description as well as the comment section. So I'm gonna add them smoked turkey wings on there. I didn't use no parsley for a little razzle dazzle, but that's only because I'm telling you, the parsley wouldn't have did it no justice. It would have just been for razzle dazzle. But I'm telling y'all, this is so good. If you like this recipe, please leave a comment, like, share, follow, subscribe, whatever platform you watching this on.